Infiniti has taken its flagship luxury sport utility vehicle and given it a wild new personality for this year's SEMA show. The result is the QX80 R-Spec, a high-performance beast that trades its quiet sophistication for brute power and bold attitude. Under the hood sits a heavily tuned 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged VR38DETT Nismo V6 engine, the same power plant that drives the legendary Nissan GT-R. But here, it has been pushed to a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower. This engine is far from stock. It features Garrett G-series turbochargers, JE pistons, boost line rods, ARP rod bolts, and ETS exhaust manifolds, all managed by a sophisticated Motec engine control system. To keep things cool and efficient, Infiniti added twin front-mounted intercoolers, a custom intake setup, CSF engine and transmission coolers, and a completely redesigned fuel system tailored for extreme performance. The QX80 R-Spec wears a wide body kit that transforms its appearance from elegant to aggressive. Its R35 GT-R inspired rear bumper includes custom exhaust finishers that proudly poke out, while the entire vehicle takes design cues from the GT-RT Spec Takumi edition. The deep midnight purple wrap pays homage to Nissan's heritage, and the 24-inch bronze wheels wrapped in Yokohama Parada Spec X tires stand out dramatically. Behind them are massive carbon ceramic brakes sourced straight from the GT-R, giving the big sport utility vehicle stopping power to match its insane performance. A custom ARP front splitter ties the aerodynamic package together, boosting both looks and stability. Infiniti has not shown the interior, so it is likely the cabin keeps the QX80's premium materials and technology, with performance remaining the focus of this build. This project follows Infiniti's track spec model from Monterey Car Week, which produced 650 horsepower. According to Tiago Castro, Infiniti America's vice president, the R-Spec represents what the brand can achieve when engineering and design teams take off all the guardrails. Although Infiniti has not released official performance numbers, the QX80 R-Spec's 1,000 horsepower heart guarantees that this luxury sport utility vehicle is far more than just a showpiece. It is a statement of pure engineering ambition.